Nike Ja 2 Tiffany Swoosh, Ja Morant's second signature sneaker. Nike is getting ready to release a stylish new colorway. With a striking black base across the mesh, leather, and molded foam panels, this next edition has a striking splash of turquoise inspired by Tiffany on the tongue logo, midsole wrap, and iconic swoosh. Like Ja's own on-court explosiveness encased in cool calmness, the contrast between the matte black upper and the bright aqua hits draws attention without being too loud. A 12 AM lace dubrae and heel tabs with reflective accents are extra design components that provide a little after-hours vigor. Morant's trademark combination of speed, control, and bounce is still provided by the shoe's sculpted foam midsole and Zoom Air cushioning in the forefoot. For $120, this Tiffany Swoosh model will go on sale on June 1 on Nike.com and a few other shops.